Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo and title to your Squarespace website. This is essential for establishing your brand identity and making your site look professional and polished. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your Squarespace account. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all the websites associated with your account. Take a moment to locate the specific website where you want to add your logo and title, then simply click on it to open that site's management area. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Edit Site. Click on this button to enter the site editor where you can make visual changes to your website. This is where the customization magic happens. Once you're in the editor, navigate to your header section at the top of your page. You'll notice an option that says Edit Site Header. Click on this to access all the header customization settings. The header is one of the most visible parts of your website, so getting this right is crucial for first impressions. In the header settings, you'll see your current site title displayed. Click directly on the title text and you'll notice a small pencil icon appears. Click on this pencil icon to edit your site's title. This opens up the editing interface where you can make changes. Now you can type in your desired site title. For this tutorial, let's say we're adding the title My Site as an example. Feel free to enter whatever name represents your brand or business best. Next, let's add your logo image. You'll see a section labeled Logo Image with a plus icon next to it. Click on that plus icon to begin uploading your logo. Squarespace gives you two options here. You can either upload a file directly from your computer or select from library if you've already uploaded images to your Squarespace account previously. For this tutorial, we'll select from library to show you how that works. Click on Select from Library and you'll see all the images you've previously uploaded to your Squarespace account. Browse through and select the picture you want to use as your logo, then click Add. The logo will now appear in your header. Here's something important. Squarespace also lets you customize how your logo appears on mobile devices. You'll see another section called Mobile Logo Image. This ensures your branding looks great on smartphones and tablets too. Click the plus icon next to Mobile Logo Image, then click Select from Library again. Choose the picture you want for your mobile view. This could be the same as your desktop logo or a simplified version that works better on smaller screens. Once you've made your selection, click Add. Now that you've configured both your title and logos for desktop and mobile, it's time to finalize everything. Look for the Save button and click it to apply all your changes. Your site will now display your new logo and title. And there you have it, you've successfully added a logo and title to your Squarespace website, giving it a professional branded appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.